Yes, today is Sunday and I am on my way to pick up Jordan Explorers. Okay, today we have agreed to go up to Tanay Rizal. Okay, I wanted to show you guys how beautiful and underrated Tanay Rizal is. Okay, Tanay Rizal is one of those nearby municipalities that I really wanted to go whenever I had a chance. Okay, and today we will show you just how beautiful Tanay is. And later today, I am hoping to be able to meet up with Mina Love also. Okay, we have agreed online last night or yesterday, I guess, that me and Jordan Explore will be meeting her up, and she said she will have some cookies ready for us. Okay, I hope you guys will enjoy this video that we are preparing for everyone. And yeah, just enjoy, stay safe. You know, activities now are okay provided, guys, that you adhere or you follow strict health protocols. Okay, safe distancing, mask and face shields if necessary. Okay, and about me, I am meeting people on weekly basis, but these are same people that I trust to be following these guidelines also, just to put myself on a safe side. And yeah, I hope. What about you guys? Tell me, how do you go about it? Sino ang inyong mga regular na minimit? And ano ang mga guidelines na pinafollow? Let me know. Thank you and enjoy this video that we are preparing for. Bye-bye. Look at that, guys. Isn't that reason enough for you to visit this place? This is heaven on earth. I'm telling you. You guys should come here. And these are my friends. Diba? So good. This is when the clouds come down on you, literally. So this is Tanay Rizal.
Meron.
Magkano?
Magkano po yung rambutan ninyo? 60 per kilo? Isang kilo po.
Bakit? Sobra ba? Libre din, sobra.
Ibigay mo natin.
Paaman na? Okay.
Alright, thank you.
Sunod, 1 kilong rambutan.
1 kilong rambutan.
Hinog na yung rambutan nyo?
Bananas. What's that? Langka. Mais, rambutan. Papaya, ang daming papaya. Santol.
Ano yung saging niya?
Saba po.
Hindi.
Natundan.
Alam.
Wala na po.
Wala na.
Naman po.
Hello guys, and good afternoon. Now we are here with Siswang Foster. Yes! Woo! Team Kultura. And yes, nagsugod bahay kami guys dito sa Angono. And yeah, akala niya hindi kami makakarating. Sinaraduhan niya guys yung kalsada. Okay? 2 kalsada sinarado, umikot kami ng umikot. Hanggang sa natagpuan din namin siya. Kidding aside, we are happy to finally nakavisit kami dito kay Siswang. And as always, okay, Jordan Explorers is with me. We will be having a short Q&A, okay, with Siswang Foster. And I hope you guys will enjoy this as much as I'm sure we will be enjoying. Okay guys, Pinoyhin nyo kung sino makakapagyain ng tunay na pangalan ni Siswang Foster, next namin susugurin. Okay, watch out for this. And siset up lang kami para sa Q&A. Thank you. Sabihin mo.
Okay na.
Okay, so we are back with Siswang Foster. Now, Siswang Foster, thank you for being a loyal member ng Team Kultura. Sobrang na-appreciate namin. Okay, that's one of the reason why kahit na wala pa sa tamang oras, minute up ka na namin. Okay, may tanong lang kami as part ng Q&A natin. Unang-una, bakit Siswang Foster? What's the reason behind that
Ayun
name?
nga, yung tulad nga nung na-explain ko na rin noon, yung sis kasi isa part ako na LGBTQ which is dun sa community namin. The sis is just like kami na yung pag nagkasalubong, kahit di magkakilala, nagkatawagan kaming sis, gano'n. Tapos yung wang is wala lang, na-add ko lang yun. Tapos is yung Foster kasi is yun yung last name ng boyfriend ko. Kaya ayun yung ginawa kong last name.
Okay guys, trivia. Foster, future family name ni Siswang. Okay? So, kunas, setting the right direction as early as now. Okay? So, pangalawang tanong ko dapat is kung ano ang status ng kanyang buhay pag-ibig, nasabi naman niya. So, I think she is happily taken. Tama?
Exactly.
Okay. So guys, sa mga gusto pumorma, wala nang chance. Okay? Now, sunod na tanong. Happy ka na ba sa status ngayon ng iyong YouTube channel?
Pwede kong sabihin na unang masaya ako kasi galing din naman ako sa zero. As in lahat, galing ako sa katulad ng mga nagsisimula pa lang din ngayon. Ngayon, oo, happy na ako. Pero mas magiging masaya ako kung mamomonetize na talaga.
Okay. Sunod na tanong, follow up. Palagay mo mga kailan?
Hindi ko rin alam kung kailan o kung hanggang kailan. Pero patuloy pa rin lumalaban.
So, mga isang buwan, gano'n?
Sabihin natin mga 3 weeks.
Wow!
Wow!
Guys! Okay, 3 weeks. Okay.
Napareact ako dito sa background.
Okay. Ano ang masasabi mo naman sa mga ibang nagsisimula pa lang ng kanilang channel ngayon?
Ang masasabi ko lang is, kung anong sinimulan nyo, sige lang, pagpatuloy nyo lang. Kasi masasayang naman kung bigla kayong bibitaw. Laban lang, tuloy lang, push lang, ayan. Keep chasing your dream, kung ayan talaga yung dream.
Okay. Parting words para sa Team Kultura.
Ayan, maraming salamat at nakilala ko kayong lahat dyan sa Team Kultura. Ayan, hindi ko na kayo may isa-isa. Basta maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumusuporta at tumutulong sa akin simula noon at hanggang ngayon. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.
Okay, mag-shoutout lang tayo. Okay, shoutout kay Tuesday Angie, Sambang Page, G-Paul, Vlog, kay Jeremy Studio. Ikaw, sino pa yung mga regular? Ate Titay. Hello, Ate Titay.
Sabi na rin niya.
Hopya na naman siya, guys. Okay? Now, na-meet din namin yung family ni Siswang. Ang kanyang mom, napaka-accommodating, guys. And napaka-supportive kay Siswang kasi ayaw rin sabihin ng nanay niya yung tunay na pangalan ni Siswang. So, kung sino makakabigay sa akin ng tunay na pangalan ni Siswang, guys, okay? 3 days na continuous play all kayo ng playlist niya. Okay?
Ako na lang magsasabi.
Okay. Pag-isipan mo, ikaw, Jordan, any questions for Siswang?
May initial na, binigay ko na yung initial.
Initial daw is B. So, do I have a question for Siswang? Actually, wala. Ano lang, I just want to say good luck to you and keep pushing sa dream mo, and ayun, monetize ka na soon. So, good luck and God bless. God bless sa'yo.
Yeah, okay. Last words. Okay, Siswang, sabi ko nga sa'yo na sa Team Kultura, okay, we may not be as colorful as the other group chats na magsasalihan mo, but then sa atin, pan lang tayo, laging kung ano lang ang kaya natin, yun ang ating binibigay. Okay?
Correct.
And you are a very valuable member ng grupo. Okay? Pinapahalagaan namin gaano man kaliit palaki ang iyong naibibigay. Oras, pagla-like sa mga live streaming, mga premieres, suporta mo sa lahat. Lahat yun nakikita namin, nararamdaman namin, at for that, maraming salamat, lalo na welcome mo kami dito sa iyong tunay na tahanan. Okay guys, hindi maliit ang kanyang tahanan, guys, okay? Malaking tahanan. And thank you everyone. I hope you guys will keep staying safe. And bye for now. Bye!